In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove underline in WPS Office. Underline text can be useful for emphasis, but there are many situations where you may want to remove it, especially when cleaning up documents, fixing formatting issues, or making your file look more professional. Whether the underline was added intentionally or appeared by mistake, WPS Office gives you several simple ways to remove it quickly and efficiently. Let's start with the first method, which uses the font settings. Begin by opening your document in WPS Office Writer and selecting the text that is currently underlined. Make sure the text is fully highlighted so the changes apply correctly. Once selected, right-click on the text to open the context menu. From there, choose the font option. This will open a window where you can adjust various text styles and formatting settings. Inside the font window, look for the Underline style option. You will notice that the underline is set to a solid line or another style. To remove it, simply change the underline style to none. After making this change, click on OK to apply it. The underline will immediately disappear from the selected text. This method is especially helpful when dealing with more advanced formatting, or when underlines were applied through font styles rather than quick formatting tools. The second method is much faster and works well for quick edits. Select the underlined text in your document, then look at the formatting toolbar. You will see an icon with the letter U, which represents the underline tool. Click on this button once, and the underline will be removed instantly. This approach is ideal when you are editing small sections of text and want a fast solution without opening additional menus. The third method uses a keyboard shortcut, which is perfect if you prefer working with keys instead of menus. After selecting the underlined text, press and hold the Control key on your Windows keyboard. Then press the U key. This shortcut toggles the underline off. If you are using a Mac, press and hold the Command key and then press U. The underline will be removed immediately. Keyboard shortcuts are especially useful when editing large documents and can help speed up your workflow. These three methods give you flexibility depending on your editing style and the situation you are working in. You can choose whichever option feels most comfortable and efficient for you. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.